Welcome to our video for today. The topic here is the 7 reasons on why you need to digitalize your business with Neo AI. So transform your traditional business into an AI-powered business. Ito po yung proposal namin sa inyo kung meron kayong negosyo or if you are a business owner, a CEO, or a freelancer. Ito po yung offer na proposal namin to digitalize your business. Okay? So, mabilis lang po ito. Malapa itong mga 30 minutes. Okay? So, imagine losing customers without even knowing it. So, nangyayari po talaga ito sa lahat ng mga business owners where the customer visits your page, di ba? They visit your page and if they scroll on your page, they will see the content, yung mga post ninyo. But the problem is kapag walang website, di ba? They actually try to look for something else, no? Yung website. And then, gagawin nila, mag-PPM na lang sila. So ngayon, pag matagal ka mag-reply, ang nangyayari po diyan, maalis sila, no? And they actually buy from your competitor, no? So dito po, you always lose sales, walang bookings, walang growth, napag-iiwanan tayo sa marketing kapag wala tayong technology in our business. Okay? So every delay, every missed reply, every gap in your digital presence is the customers you'll never ever get back. Okay, so the way customers buy has already changed. Iba na ngayon yung konsepto ng mga customers ngayon. They don't ask, where is your store? No, they actually ask, do you have a website? Can I book online? Can I message you? Do you reply quickly? So, ang gagawin natin po dito sa technology na i-offer ko sa inyo, we will digitalize your process. No? So, businesses didn't become obsolete because they lack customers. They become obsolete because they stop adapting. Now, kung mahina ang negosyo mo ngayon, probably it's about time for you to upgrade into a digital technology. No? So, if you are an agent, real estate agent, insurance, or anything else, diba? Actually, the way they do the marketing is they do the manning. Nagmamaning sila. Diba? And in reality, nobody remembers flyers anymore. Tama? Kumbaga namimigay tayo ng flyers, pero is it actually effective until now? Diba? Pero dito po, gagawan po namin kayo ng technology na magkakaroon kayo ng tinatawag naming Neo Card. Ayan. So, meron kang isang card na kung saan pwede mong itap sa cellphone ng client mo, ng prospect, diba? And they will see a website, diba? They can save your not just your details, no? Not just your number kasi usually po, no, sa mga flyers natin andun yung cellphone number natin. Pero dito, pag meron kang gantong card, diba? Is masasave nila yung Facebook profile mo, your Instagram, your TikTok, your website, even your email. No? So, napaka-powerful ng card na itong i-offer namin. So, in reality, no, kapag meron kang ganyan, you make an initial impression. Diba? Saka hindi ka nila makakalimutan kasi nakasave na sila, nakasave na yung information mo sa phone book nila. No? Ganun po ka-powerful doon. Mamaya po explain ko ano ba yung card na yan. Okay? So, sa ngayon po, ano mas magandang pagkatiwalaan ng negosyo? Yung traditional pa din, yung Facebook lang, di ba? Paper card, manual reply, no booking, no website. Karaniwan kasi ngayon, nai-scam na sa mga ganitong klaseng mga marketing kasi may mga scammers din na gumagawa ng mga fake profile that they actually look like the legitimate business, no? Kung nabalitaan niyo yung mga staycation scam, di ba? Meron siyang Facebook page na mukhang legit, 'di ba? Then nung nagbayad na yung customer doon sa resort, ang nangyari pala, scam pala. No, hindi pala fake page pala 'yon. So mas maganda, you can actually build credibility if you have your own website, your own AI employee, meron kang CRM, online booking and smart card, no? Yan. So who would you buy from? Okay? So you decide on this, no? But ito po yung talagang reality. Your business is missing these 7 digital tools. No? Ano ba yung mga digital tools na yan? Diba? First, a website. Second, a smart card. Third, AI-generated content. AI employee, appointment booking, CRM, and automation. Imagine you have this with your business. Hindi pa to magkakaroon ng better results, better lead management, better customers, di ba? So, these tools don't just save time. They help you win. Okay? So, the real cost of using multiple platforms, if you're going to buy this outside, no? So, siguro po, kayo naman, you have an idea. First, you're gonna buy a domain. Yan. So, second, you're gonna subscribe to a funnel creator, which is basically napakamahal po niyan. Di ba? So you're gonna subscribe also sa isang chatbot. Yan po yung mga pricing, no? And smart card, di ba? And appointment booking. Yan, yung ating app na yan. And CRM, di ba? Design, AI course, if you're going to study first from scratch, no? Wala kang mentor, mag-aaral ka lang dyan sa mga prepaid course, no? Basically, you're gonna spend this much per month. Per month po ito, So, kapag talagang wala kang guidance, wala ka talagang, malaki gagastusin mo if you're gonna hire an agency, no? Yung mga agency na nag-o-offer ng mga ganitong mga services, no? So, imagine mo, that's almost 225,000 per year. No? So, kumbaga, kung wala ka pang idea, di ba, most likely, you're just gonna waste money on this. Kasi, zero knowledge ka di ba? Pero dito po sa ino-offer namin, these are the 7 reasons kung bakit you should consider us with your business. Okay? Number 1, you're gonna have your very own website. So, ito po ay do-it-yourself. Meron kaming website creator na kung saan you can put all the information of your company in our website builder. So, you can brand it whatever you want. You can put unlimited content. And you can actually use AI for vibe coding. No? Kasi open po tayo for vibe coding. And you can choose the theme that best suits you, and this is optimized already for mobile viewing. Yan ang napaka-powerful namin na website. No? Yeah. So, we have this website builder na meron siyang rich text editor na tinatawag na kung saan you can actually copy-paste the HTML code from an AI generator like Gemini, di ba? Sa Gemini kasi pwede siyang mag-generate ng mga websites, di ba? And yun, makaka-create ka ng high-converting website using our website builder. So, kumbaga, meron tayong visual editor, HTML code, and visual viewer. So, sa HTML code, you just copy-paste the HTML code from AI, from Gemini, and then yun na. No? So, you can actually copy even yung mga ibang mga gandang mga websites. Meron po tayo ditong training on how to do this. No? Yeah. So, we have also stunning themes na you can actually pick for your business. Halimbawa, resort owner ka, travel agency ka, flower shop, photographer ka ba, musician, diba? Hundreds of templates na pwedeng pagpilian po dyan. Okay? So, that's the first reason you will have your first website. Now, second, you don't have consistency in your content. Diba? Minsan, mahirap talagang mag-isip ng content every day. But with our micro university, we have trainings like the Ultimate AI Masterclass where you can actually create 30 days content using AI. Dito po matututunan nyo po paano gumawa ng mga AI-generated images and videos. No? Ito po yung mga sample natin. Diba? So, yung mga ganyan mga videos, tinuturo po yan on how to create it using AI. No? So, kumbaga, very powerful yung ating mga training. Isa pang example namin, ito yung mga portrait namin for shorts, video, or yung mga my day ninyo. Diba? Ito naman yung sa landscape. No? Panoorin nyo po ito.
Magandang umaga mga kabakabayan. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si Jong.
At ako naman po, si Irene.
Alam nyo ba na isa sa pinakamalaking gastusin ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino ay ang buwanang electric bill?
Totoo yan. Kaya marami ang naghahanap ng mas matalinong paraan maging mas efficient ang paggamit ng kuryente.
Kaya ngayong araw, ipakikilala namin ang AVD Tech International Philippines.
At ang kanilang flagship innovation, ang Power Efficiency Enhancer.
Idinisenyo ito upang makatulong sa pag-optimize ng electrical efficiency at makatulong sa pagprotekta.
Isang makabagong teknolohiya para sa bahay at negosyo.
Samahan ninyo kami sa ating pagtalakay tungkol sa AVD Tech.
Like, follow, share, at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe.
Galing, di ba? So, napaka-powerful yan. It was created by AI in just 30 minutes, di ba? Yan yung mga matututunan nyo doon sa aming micro-university. Na if you avail our services, di ba, meron din po kaming courses na kasama na sa ating mga teachings when it comes to generating daily contents. No? Ito pa yung isang ginawan po namin. Panoorin nyo po ito.
Hi everyone! Ako nga pala si Joyce at welcome sa aking podcast. And today, gusto kong i-share kung bakit TechMe Neo AI ang business na pinili ko. Dati, puro supplements ang binibenta ko. Pero ngayon, pinili ko na ang digital business. Simply dahil gusto ko ng time free. Burned out na rin sa traditional way of marketing. Gusto ko naman kakaiba. Hindi talaga ako techie. Pero dahil sa mga courses sa TechMe, natuto ako gumamit ng AI. Pure digital lang kaya, mas nagkaroon ako ng time sa sarili ko at family ko. Ang pinakagusto ko, hindi ako nag-iisa. May community, may training, at may step-by-step guidance para mas madaling mag-start. Kung gusto mo ring magsimula ng digital business, baka TechMe na rin ang opportunity na hinahanap mo. Pwede ka mag-start for as low as 500 pesos. See you inside TechMe!
Di ba? Galing. Napakagandang mga images and it was all created by AI. Also the images, no? So, dito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-hire pa ng mga influencers, ng mga models to actually hold your products, no? Talagang with a click of a prompt, no? With a pasting of a prompt, makakapag-create ka na ng magandang mga marketing images. So, that's number 2 when it comes to what your business needs. No? Number 3, you need an AI employee na tinatawag. So, dito po, we have our, what we call as the AI assistant. No? Ito po yung sumasagot sa mga inquiries mo 24/7 and you can actually train your AI persona to sound like you. So dito po meron kami ditong AI portion na kung saan you can upload all the details of your products and your company para alam niya yung isasagot. So iti-training mo yung AI mo. So lagay mo yung mga PowerPoint mo dyan, lagay mo yung mga legalities, company profile, yung mga product information. So lahat yan, kailangan mo i-feed kay AI mo para magtunog siya na katulad ng parang ikaw siya. Di ba? So, yan po yung number 3 natin. Magkakaroon ka ng AI na 24/7 sumasagot. So, how would you like that, di ba? Napakaganda. Next, number 4 is ito po pinaka-importante, yung appointment booking. No? So, dito po sa ating, sa ating platform, sa iyong website, magkakaroon ka ng calendar doon na kung saan yung mga bumibisita sa website mo, they can actually book for appointments. No? So, this is very perfect for mga agents, mga real estate agents, di ba? If you want to schedule for the tripping, mga ganyan-ganyan, sa mga financial advisors, di ba? If you want to book an appointment with your client, kasi yun naman talaga yung business natin, di ba? Kailangan talaga ng face-to-face interaction. So, meron kang calendar booking. No? That's number 4. Number 5, CRM. Ito naman yung nagmo-monitor ng mga leads natin, yung mga nag-i-inquire sa atin. You can actually drag and drop dito po sa atin, and you can actually save their contact number, and then you can actually send a follow-up email with our CRM lead management. No? So, ano po yan, napaka-powerful po niyan. Ibig sabihin ng CRM is Customer Relationship Management. No? So, napakaganda niya kasi nga, hindi na nawawala yung mga nag-i-inquire sa'yo. Andyan yung mga email, saka yung mga contact number nila. So, meron kang prospect listing talaga na organize siya. No? And you can drag it sa mga hot, sa converted, saka sa cold. No? Number 6 is the Neo AI Smart Card. Ito po napakaganda because this is gonna be branded with your own face, with your own picture, and the logo of your company. And it is NFC powered. No? So napakaganda niya kasi nga, you can tap this to everyone's cell phone and they can immediately see your website. No? So pagka-tap mo, automatic, babagsak yan sa website mo. Diba? So napakaganda po nun. And you're also gonna have your personalized QR code. No? So, kumbaga, kung hindi gumagana yung NFC reader nila, may QR code na pwede silang i-scan. No? So, napaka-powerful po nito kasi kagandahan nito talaga is, you're gonna give an impression. Wow, ganda naman nito, di ba? So, may ganun po siya. So, napaka-powerful talaga kasi, high-tech na smart card. Okay? So, yan. So, NFC powered. So, website, mapapakita kagad. So, this is better than flyers, no? Ayan. And then, lastly, yung automation nga. With all those technologies combined, from the customers visiting your website, may nagre-reply na employee, may nagbo-book ng appointment, nasa-save yung lead, di ba? Automatic follow-up, customer pays, repeat customers, referral. No? So, imagine having all of these technologies inside of your business. No? So, may website ka na, mayroon ka pang smart card, mayroon ka pang AI-generated content, may AI employee ka pa, may appointment booking ka pa, may CRM, and may automation ka pa. No? So, usually, guys, if you actually avail this outside, no, if you're gonna hire an agency, it's gonna cost you 5 to 6 digit talaga. No? Kasi alam ko po yan, kasi ako mismo dati, nagpagawa ako sa isang agency ng one-page funnel for almost 100,000 pesos. Imagine mo, napakamahal po nun. Pero dito po, di ba, you're not gonna pay all of this. No? Hindi mo kailangan siyang bayaran yung 20,000, 15,000, yung 82,000 na yan. You're not gonna pay 82,000. No? If you start today, you transform your business now, and you're gonna pay once and benefit forever. No? So you're not gonna pay 82,000. No? How about 50,000? Do you think it's worth it for your business? No? Siguro pwede rin naman din po, no? Of course, you're not gonna pay 50,000. How about 20,000? Di ba? Mahal pa din, di ba? Would you like me to go lower? Di ba? Yan. How about 10,000? For 10,000 pesos, lahat ng technology na yan, ibibigay namin sa inyo. Di ba? So, napaka-powerful niyan. Magiging digitalized na yung business mo. But, since you're watching this video, you're not gonna pay 10,000. Guess the price. No? So, lahat ng sinabi ko pong technology, lahat yan makukuha mo for only 2,000 pesos. Grabe, di ba? 2,000 pesos. Ang kagandahan dito, it's only a one-time activation and wala po siyang monthly fee. So basically, you're gonna use and take advantage of this system, this platform, for life. No? So sobrang worth it po niyan sa 2,000 pesos, di ba? Para po sa digitalization ng negosyo mo. So, grabe, di ba? So, this is the best that we can offer. Kumbaga talagang binigay po namin ito since we are a pioneering company. We want you to become our model na sasabihin namin in the future na may testimonial po tayo na ito po, si Business A, nung nag-start siya sa aming Neo AI package is dumami yung customers niya at nagkaroon siya ng maraming mga clients. No? So, I hope you appreciate this offer. And if you are interested, just please contact the person who shared to you this video. No? So, welcome to Neo AI. Tap, connect, and grow. No? Your business deserves better. Neo AI. No? So, contact the person who invited you in this webinar and sign up today. Yun lang. Thank you so much.